Yeah, 5606. 2724. 3979. 3073. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they could check me out. Also, if you're new and you're into trains and you love trains a lot, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out as well. Also, if you're new, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. And this was filmed on Thursday, October the 19th, 2023. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and take care. And have a pleasant day.